it can be amazing when we're working with the body and beginning to move and shift and open and reconnect, and how it becomes easier then for us to be here, to be in this moment. That a lot of what we experience as our disconnect or the angst or those challenging moments can be because our bodies are just uncomfortable to be in. And what we're doing through our practice is we're meeting that discomfort in our body with loving awareness. We're breathing into it, we're giving it time. And the body's desire, as in the desire of all things in nature, is to move back into balance. So as our body does that, it becomes easier for us just to be here, to be in this moment, to be in a sense connected to that part of us that recognizes that in this moment we are full, that we are complete. We don't have to go looking or searching for anything outside of ourselves to fill us up. In this moment we're full. We're complete. We are each a spark of the divine, full within ourselves and part of a bigger tapestry, a glowing matrix of life. And the invitation of each of our lives is to awaken to this deeper truth, recognizing that we are full, and from that full cup then we give.